Hi everyone, I'm Adelaine. I'm co-founder of The Present, and I've been contemplating about this for a long time because I've been in the digital industry for almost 7 years now, and I wanted to share what I know, especially at this time that it's really important to up your game in social media marketing. So if you're a real estate agent, if you're a financial advisor, a small business owner, then this is really important for you to hear to up your social media game. So today I'm going to teach you how to get customers on Facebook through Messenger. So basically, I'm going to talk about ManyChat. Now, ManyChat is a chat marketing tool that you can use. It's free. It can also be paid, depends on the features that you want. So how does it work? ManyChat, it's a tool. So whenever may mag-chat sa inyo on Facebook, ang data, ang name, and ang gender or whatever or ano pang mga data dyan, papasok siya sa ManyChat. So if for example, I'm a restaurant or I'm a delivery service, tatanong sila na, hello, anong menu, ano ang delivery rate. Ang data ng person na yun, papasok na yun siya diretso sa ManyChat. So pag nandun na siya sa ManyChat, you can market to them directly. Now, be careful kung anong pwede nyo i-market sa kanila kasi hindi dapat benta ka ng benta. Like for us, what we do in The Present is, as much as we can, we send a monthly list of videos na napalabas for the previous month para ma-backtrack nila. So in case na hindi nila napanood yung mga videos, pwede nilang balikan. At the same time, if we have launches for our shirts or for our digital courses, kasama ang ManyChat sa pipeline for the launches. So padadalhan natin lahat ng tao. Like nung October, November, I think we had 3,000 subscribers and now we're at 6,000. And it's growing every single day. So, yun, pwede ka na mag-market sa kanila. So, that's what we want to do, to talk to them directly on a different level, aside from just posting on the Facebook page kasi hindi yun siya enough. Posting on your Facebook page is not enough, okay? So, how do we then drive traffic to your messenger? Now, basically, there are three simple, very basic ways. So the first is you have to have a send message button. Now, in all our videos or in all our posts, we make sure to have a send message button doon. Kasi when we promote them, doon siya diretso papasok sa messenger. So like what we did below sa video ni Jan sa The Present, we had 2 videos na merong send message button. So pag i-click nila yan, diretso na sila sa messenger. Now, the second one is you have to message people in the comments section. Now, this is really important kasi not everybody is doing this. Pag nag-comment ang isang tao, make sure nyo na sasagutin nyo rin yung comment na yon. Kasi, di ba, kahit na nag-hi, hello lang yan siya, mag-hi ka rin, reply ka ng mga GIF or GIS, whatever na yan, reply ka sa kanila. At the same time, you also message them personally on your Facebook page. Now, hindi pa yan siya papasok sa ManyChat, but pag mag-reply yan sila sa'yo, papasok din siya sa ManyChat. Third way is to simply ask people to message you or to PM you. PM is the key nga, di ba? Sabi nila, PM me, or PM me. Ganon. So like this, what we did sa The Present is we're always asking for feedback as to ano pa ba ang pwede naming i-improve. Like for this one, we're working on a course and we're asking people na, hello, ano pa ba ang ano pang gusto nyong malaman about money? So feel free to comment or to message us para sa mga tao na nahiya nag-comment, diba? So yun ang 3 things, ang send message button, message people on the comment section, and ask them to PM you, diba? Ganun lang siya ka-simple, smooth. As long as you do that, I know it's really hard kasi marami siya, it's very meticulous, but I'm really positive na it would pay off in the long run because these small acts will pile up. Tapos your audience will feel na they are very well taken care of. So hopefully marami kayong tutunan today and you can apply it to your own page. And I suggest na you connect your Facebook page sa inyong ManyChat. It's free, so you can sign up now and connect your page para makagather na kayo ng contacts. Now, the longer you wait, the more contacts you will probably lose. So again, if you have questions or if you want me to share more about Facebook specific topics, feel free to PM me or to message me or comment your questions below. So thank you so much for reaching this far, and I hope you learned something and you would apply it for your business.